Yeah guys, today I'm going to show you this Klarpul cordless vacuum cleaner with super high specs. So I have very high expectation. Of course I have to admit that it was sent to me from the seller to show you all the really nice details, but it's still my honest opinion because I would never claim something which is not true. And so I'm going to take it out of the box, show you how easy it is to assemble, how easy it is to use, how strong it is, how easy to clean, all these things. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. Some of the super high specs are of course the powerful suction of up to 50 kPa, super long battery runtime in the eco mode of more than 1 hour. Of course in the boost mode it's only 15 minutes, but still very impressive. We have also super fast charging of only 2.5 hours, and LED super important here, and self-standing, something I've never seen with such a cordless vacuum cleaner. So I'm super excited. So let's take it out of the box. Model type is KL-001, and here's the quick starter guide. But here of course we have the super thick, very comprehensive instructions manual in 5 different languages, and everything here inside really nice, organized, very well packaged, nicely protected. Power adapter or charger, this 2-in-1 nozzle which we can use directly like that, but we can also use it with the brush. That's super convenient for smaller areas, keyboards, another small brush for narrow spaces, and then of course the normal telescope extension. Yeah, everything makes a really good impression. Comes with this button so we can extend it in a lot of different lengths, and we can even secure it, you can see. And then of course the main brush. Yeah, this thing makes an absolutely awesome impression. It's also pretty heavy, I mean not too heavy, but you can feel that this thing is rock solid. This is not a toy, and the brush is exactly how we want it. So usually these integrated brushes here help a lot, usually for very thorough cleaning. But we also have this self-cleaning design here inside, so usually this prevents that hair is getting stuck. And here in the front we have the 4 LED lights. That's a must-have. I would never buy a cordless vacuum cleaner without LED lights anymore. Super flexible, and so you can see how this works. When we twist it, it goes left and right. That's about the maximum angle. Also nice that we can make it super flat. You can see that here, so it fits almost everywhere underneath furniture. And then the impressive battery pack, more accessories, and advanced 5-stage HEPA filter. So let's check the parts in detail. And so here's the main device, of course, with the powerful motor. It's a very interesting design, a little bit different than most cordless vacuums, so I'm very excited to see how this works. Here we have this release button for this dustbin, and so we have one filter here that's also a washable filter, and we can remove the whole part. We can also take this apart. We just rotate counterclockwise, clean everything nicely, rinse, wash, dry everything, and then put everything back here. Just align it and then secure it with a clockwise rotation. Filter on top, and here the washable HEPA filter, where we also have this replacement filter then. Yes, super easy for maintenance. So we can put everything back here, align the 2 openings here. Then when putting back, we have to align 3 spots here on the top, here the hole, and here this button. So it shouldn't be too difficult. We start here on top, I think, and then just push it here inside. So actually it's just 2 things here, the top first, and then just push it down. Yeah, that's super easy. I've seen very complicated mechanisms. And of course for normal daily cleaning we have this unlock button here, which you can just push, then it will open, and then most of the dust and dirt will just fall down. Make sure that you're just doing that on top of a trash bin, and only for maybe monthly, and only when you feel that the suction is a little bit weaker, then you have to remove it and do a deep cleaning. Then of course we need to add the battery, adding the low nozzle here, just push it here inside, and then of course we have to add the nozzle. Yeah, we can feel that everything is really massive, makes a good impression. Just push it here inside, make sure that it's fully snapped in, and then we can start it here in the back. Goes automatically into the low power mode. We can adjust the power here in 3 different levels. And what I can already feel is that it's not very loud. That's super comfortable. I don't have to wear earplugs like with some other vacuum cleaners. We can also see the battery level and the suction here. I'm just showing you here how strong this is already on the lowest level. And here medium and the strongest level. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. So these numbers are not just like any random or fake numbers. So it looks like this vacuum cleaner is super, super powerful, almost as powerful as corded vacuums. Of course, you don't have to use this extension telescope. You can use the main brush directly into the main device. So you align it here, push it here inside. And so you can see when I started that the brushes are starting to spin and the light starts. So I'm doing that now. Also from underneath. Also nice that it stops pretty much instantly. So in case it gets tangled or you have sucked in something accidentally, you can stop it right away. So let's see how efficiently we can clean, for example, this rice here. And so you can see everything is nice here inside, nicely trapped, cannot fall out because we also have this integrated automatic flap here. And so when we open the lid, everything will fall out here. And so I'm back here after 5 minutes of cleaning. You can see the result already. It's absolutely amazing. Most of it was on hard floor, like on laminate. And the amazing thing is I've been able to use it in the eco mode where the battery lasts almost forever, and it has already been picking up everything, and I really enjoyed it because it's so super quiet. It's absolutely amazing. Never seen something so strong, so quiet. And again, even in the most powerful suction mode, it's not loud, so works also perfectly around small children or pets. And you can see what it has been collecting. It has collected everything here from dirt, dust, and also a lot of Christmas tree needles. Was really fun to watch how it has been catching everything, and you can see that's absolutely amazing. Can you see any hair? I can't see anything except maybe from this thing here. Just removed it. Other than that, it's perfectly clean. And we definitely have a lot of hair usually on our floor, especially around the corners. You can see absolutely amazing how this self-cleaning function is working here. So not only super powerful cleaning for the home, but also super powerful self-cleaning. And the light was super helpful underneath furniture. The joint worked great. And so it shouldn't be a problem to clean out everything here. Just pushing, and you can see pretty much everything is now here. Can close it easily. Yeah, cleaning the home has never been so easy as with this Klarpul cordless vacuum cleaner. And if you still need a break in between, could be if you have a very large home and you're using it in the eco mode for 1 hour or so, then it's super easy with this self-standing function, which definitely worked. Absolutely amazing. This is phenomenal how this works. Vacuuming on a complete new level. I've tested already so many vacuums, but this one here blows me away. No question about that. I mean, I'm definitely not kidding. This is not a fake review or so. I'm just super excited. I mean, I never had a Dyson vacuum cleaner, but this is about what I would expect from a Dyson, or maybe this is even stronger. I don't know. This thing is absolutely amazing. You really have to see the difference to believe it, but you definitely cannot go wrong with this one here. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this Klarpul vacuum cleaner, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.